Alright. Quarantine ride out for essentials. Cops already did a turnaround on me to come flex. He didn't stop and talk to me. I pulled into a gas station. He just drove through looking at me. They've been pulling people over just to ask where they're going. Been trying to find out who authorized that. Can't seem to get an answer. I just thought I'd ask since it's totally illegal and they're doing it anyway. Alright, on the 2006 GSX-R 1000. The last of the true beasts. No rider modes. You got a throttle and a clutch and a brain. Those are your rider modes. Once you go Litre bike, there's no going back. I tried a 600 I had. Went around the block. Didn't make sense. You have to rev it up so high to get into any kind of power band. And the 600 just power band everywhere, kind of, but well, a lot of torque, any gear, any speed. Pretty sure I could do a 6th gear roll on against a 600 that's doing a 3rd gear roll on and still leave them. He may pull for a second, but I'll leave him. Some people think that's too much for the streets, but those people usually ride 600s. There's no such thing as too much. It's up to you to learn how to use it. The main reason I bought a 1000 is because the arthritis on my arms, I get tired of twisting the throttle all the time. On this, I barely have to touch the throttle and I can get whatever I want out of it. Way more than I can use. Yeah, I used to ride with the boys last year, but the 30-year-old teenagers, and I rode like them to a point. I never risked as much as they did in the corners, but I did a lot of top speeds. And I got that crap out of my system. I mean, I know I can outrun any one of them right now, no problem on this bike, but I don't want to. I don't even want to ride with anybody. I don't want to be associated with a group of anyone. They've already been pulled over as a group for doing the fun stuff, the hooligan stuff. I just want to ride my way. The 1000 is much more of a bike, and I don't mean just power. I mean, they just built these things to ride. You know, that's another thing I noticed when I got back on the 600. I felt like I was, I don't know, I felt like it was kind of junky, like just slapped together. I mean, I know it's not. They're not, 600s are nice, but I don't know. You just have to get on the 1000 and see what I mean. Is it too much power for the street? Yep. So is the 600. So this It's just a little more. This is 6 gear. I don't need anything but 6 gear to do to ride around here. Speed limit is like 45. Found out the other day, 3rd gear at about 40 miles an hour, it pulls the front wheel up if I just hit the gas real hard. And I don't mean floor it, I mean just give it like, I don't know, 2/3 throttle. It'll pull that wheel up. Kind of have to ease into that a little better. Yeah, you see my red light there, that's F1. That little rebreather for the crankcase, that hose came off, and I'll put it back on one day. It's not hurting anything right now. Got a speed limit drop to 35. Yeah, that's another thing. There are no gears for the neighborhood. First gear, forget about it. First gear idles at 20, so if the speed limit is 25, you got to go to second. Still riding that clutch. If you want something that you're going to be riding around town, forget about the 1000. It'll just piss you off. Thing about riding alone though, every blind corner could have a cop around it. At least when I rode with my buddies, they were ahead of me, and if I saw brake lights, shoot, I'd be down to the speed limit before I get up on trouble. Well, this video is mainly about the mic adapter I put on the GoPro 5, testing to see if it works. Didn't work the last time I tried, so. Getting down into first gear and letting out the clutch, that's a dangerous zone. I see why people get on a Litre bike and just crash from the start. I get it. You got to be super sensitive and super careful letting that clutch out. I mean, with no gas. Alright, that's it. Hopefully this thing recorded the audio.